Ever wondered how to navigate the challenges of traveling while pregnant? It's a common concern for many, and today, we'll be tackling this topic head-on. Traveling while pregnant can seem daunting. The physical changes, the need for frequent restroom breaks, and the potential for morning sickness can make the idea of a long journey feel overwhelming. But fear not. With the right preparation and a few handy tips, it can be a smooth and enjoyable experience. First and foremost, always consult your healthcare provider before planning a trip. They can provide personalized advice based on your health history and the stage of your pregnancy. Remember, every pregnancy is unique, so what works for one person may not work for another. Secondly, timing is crucial. The second trimester often brings relief from morning sickness and fatigue, making it an ideal time for travel. Plus, the risk of complications is generally lower during this period. When booking your travel, consider the mode of transportation. Air travel is generally safe for pregnant individuals up until the 36th week, but airlines may have their own policies. Train and car travel offer more flexibility for stops and stretch breaks, which can be essential for comfort and circulation. Scene script. Hydration and nutrition are key. Carry a reusable water bottle and healthy snacks to keep energy levels up and stay hydrated. Dehydration can exacerbate feelings of nausea and fatigue, so keep sipping throughout the journey. Comfort is paramount. Wear loose, comfortable clothing and shoes. Consider using a pregnancy travel pillow for extra support during your journey. And finally, don't forget about travel insurance. Ensure it covers pregnancy-related conditions and emergencies. It's a small investment for peace of mind. In summary, traveling while pregnant requires a bit of extra planning and consideration. Start by consulting your healthcare provider, then carefully consider the timing and mode of transportation for your trip. Stay hydrated, eat well, prioritize comfort, and don't forget about travel insurance. Remember, pregnancy is a unique and special time, and with the right preparation, you can enjoy your travels while nurturing the life growing within you. So pack your bags, put on those comfy shoes, and prepare for an adventure. The world awaits.